Today we will be testing the Trend Follower 4 WMA indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Trend Follower 4 WMA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 102 different strategies, with 30 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail up of that video right now on screen. I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight to that video and watch that on the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 958 indicators, with 401 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the Trend Follower 4 WMA indicator. And if I scroll back here a little bit, you can see the indicator here on screen. So there's not much to it other than these buy and sell signals here. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. We're looking for those buy and sell signals, obviously. The source video claims that this is the most profitable liquidity trading indicator that you will ever need. And so, like I said, the indicator itself only gives us these buy and sell signals. And so what we're looking for is when we get a sell signal, we're going to go short. When we get a buy signal, we are going to go long. And so pretty simple setup. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. You can see that we get that buy signal right here, and then immediately we roll over and price action makes this push to the downside, which does come down and stop us out, unfortunately. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a sell signal. We get that sell signal right here, and we get a little bit of a push to the downside here. It is enough to come down and hit our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get the scroll back, and you can see the two trades there in the 1 year, and we have one losing trade and one winning trade. So that's not going to put us at the 60% criteria that we are looking for. We didn't get enough trades within the 1 year's time. 2 trades is, if they were both winning trades, then we'd put it on the winning list to test at a later time over a larger number of trades. But 2 trades in general is not a very good amount of trades, and obviously the 50% win rate is the biggest problem here. So is it the most profitable liquidity trading indicator that you will ever need? Not at all. And so maybe on a lower time frame, play around with this and see if it can give some better results, but you can see here that it's not going to do too well. So that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.